User interface. The interface has a few main sections. The first one is the ribbon. The ribbon runs across the top of the application here. This is the ribbon here. The options bar. The option bar actually runs underneath it for some particular objects. So, for example, if I pick a wall, this is the options of a wall right across the bottom of the ribbon bar. So this is the options bar. The project browser is found in the lower left. This here shows all the different views and different sheets and all the subunits of the project. And so we can navigate through all those types of things like our schedules and our legends and our different plans. So we can see all those. We also have the drawing area. The big white area out here is where we will draw our model, our architectural model. The status bar. The status bar is down here on the lower right, and it will actually give us varying status of things as we're drawing. And also we have the view control bar. The view control bar is over here on the left, and this dictates how we see things, the size we see things, and the detail we see things at, like we can hide things, etc. in this particular area. We also have the title bar. The title bar is on the very top, and this will give us the name of what we are working on. So right now we're on project 1. We haven't named it. We're on floor plan level 1. So if we change it to the ceiling plan, for example, it will say project 1 reflected ceiling plan level 1. So it will tell us the name of what we're working on at the current time. In our ribbon panels, we can move ribbon panels if we like. For example, if we have this opening, we can grab onto the bottom where the name of the tab is. So this particular panel, such as the opening panel, I can left click on this down by the word opening. We can move it into our drawing area anywhere we like, and we can move this around. It's a floating box, and when we're done, we can go in the upper right hand corner and return panels to the ribbon. It'll go back and place that to where it was. We can also change the view states of the ribbon. To do that, we have a button right on the top at the end of our tabs. If we hit the down arrow, we can minimize the tabs. So just our tabs across the top, like structure and systems and annotate and things like that, massing, those are the only things that will be seen. If I go and hit the button, I can say minimize the panel titles. Now I just see the basic titles like opening before. So it gives me a little more graphic real estate for drawing in if I do this type of stuff. And I can also minimize the panel buttons, and so I actually see the buttons of these things, so I can actually don't have to read it, but I have a little graphic of these openings. But to maximize our screen, I can come back and say show full ribbon. I click on this little button here, and it brings me back to the original view of my view states of my ribbon. This is our user interface, and we need to get to learn the different components of our user interface, as it is different than, say, AutoCAD.